All right, so in this era of songwriting, this chord progression was super duper common, right? It's a million different songs. This little walk up will help us rhythmically, and also it's just a stylistic addition. And all it is I'm trying to get back to this C. So I'm just going to walk it up. Okay, or in a more of a swing. Either works. Okay, you don't want to overdo it, but it is a fun thing to practice. I'm going to show you where to put it. In the intro, I would actually start with that. So maybe with an arrow going up, you've got this little bum 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 bum, da-dum, 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 bum 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 bum, da-dum, 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 and then I wouldn't do it again. And then just go starting the song. I would put it in again over here, right before you start the second verse. So you've got this long pause on the G chord. It's nice to throw that bum 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 back into the song. And you can do that again over here. Now you may find you like it other places as well. Feel free to add that in. I'm going to give you a little demo starting from the intro. Santa baby, slip a sable under the tree for me. Been an awful good girl, Santa baby, and hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa baby, a 54 convertible to light blue. I'll wait up for you, dear Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Think of all the fun I've missed. Think of all the fellas that I haven't kissed. Next year I could be just as good if you'll check off my Christmas list. Santa baby, I want a yacht, and really that's not a lot. Been an angel all year, Santa baby, so hurry down the chimney tonight. Santa honey,